Hello students, we are going to take up today the balancing of a chemical equation. Children, for balancing we follow the law of conservation of mass. That means the left hand side of a chemical equation should be equal to right hand side of the equation. That means the substrate should be equal to the products. Okay. Now for a chemical equation there are various methods. Okay, at your level, that means up to class 10th level, you have two methods available. The first one is traditional, that is the hit and trial method, where you keep putting the values and keep checking whether the answer is correct or not, and then you solve it. The second method is algebraic method, which is very interesting. Okay, so today we are going to focus on algebraic method. I'm taking a very simple equation, carbon, hydrogen forming methane. Okay, so let's put the value, say the coefficient in front of A 6, in front of C is A, in front of hydrogen is B, and in front of methane is C. So what do? We take the equation and we write the coefficient A in terms of A, B, C. If there are 4, then A, B, C, D. Okay, now what do? We multiply the coefficient with the subscript. So we talk about for carbon here A, and over here it is 1. So this is what 1A. When we come this side, here how many carbon are there? Carbon over here again is 1 and over here it is C. So this is equal to 1C. We can also say that A is equal to C. Right? Then we talk about for hydrogen. So this is 2B. 2B here is equal to how much? 4C, or B is equal to 4 by 2C. That means it is how much? 2C. So we have got another, set, that is B is equal to 2C. So we have got A is equal to C and we have got B is equal to C. Now we assume, right, that A is equal to 1. So if A is equal to 1, then what will happen? C will also be 1, right? Now if C is 1, we put this value in this formula. So B will be 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So we have got the value A is equal to 1, we have got the value C is equal to 1, and we have also got the value B is equal to 2. Now we put these values over here and see whether the equation is balanced or not, and you'll be very amazed and in fact happy that you are able to solve the equation so quickly. So this is 1C plus 2H2 will give 1CH4. Now look here, 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen balance. So this equation is balanced. Isn't it interesting? Now let's take up another. Okay, so I've taken this as A, B, C, D. Now, so there are 4. Okay, now this is looking in difficult, but it is very simple. So this is how much? Yes, 6A. 6A for carbon, right? So for carbon it is 6A this side, and this side carbon is how much? C. Okay, now talk about hydrogen. So it is 12A is equal to this side, it is 2D. Okay, right? And then we talk about oxygen, it is A, 6A, right? And here also you have oxygen. So plus 2B is equal to 2C plus D. Okay, now like we said, let A is equal to 1. So what will happen? 6A is equal to C. That means C is equal to 6, right? So this is 1 value, this is 2 value. Okay. Now we also know that 12A is equal to 2D. So 12 into 1 is equal to 2D, or 12 by 2 is equal to D. That means 6. So we know D is equal to 6. So we know A is equal to 1, C is equal to 2, D is equal to 6. Now let's calculate B by putting these value in this statement. So what we'll get, 6 into 1 plus 2b is equal to 2 into 6 plus 6, right? So this will be 6 plus 2b is equal to 12 plus 6, or 2b is equal to 18 minus this 6 will come here minus 6, or 2b is equal to 12 or b is equal to 6. So we have got the value. A is equal to how much? 1. B is how much? 6. C is how much? 6. And D is how much? 6. So put these values and you will find the equation is balanced. Right? Let's take another one. Okay, so we'll quickly take A, B, C. So here 2A, right, is equal to C, and how much? 2b is equal to 3c. So if we take a is equal to 1, then c is equal to 2. So this is okay. Now we put this value in this formula. 2b is equal to 3c. So 2b is equal to 3 into 2, or b is equal to 6 by 2, right? Or it is 3. Okay, so A is 1, B is 3, and C is 2. So it is N2 plus 3H2 will give 2NH3, and the equation is perfectly balanced, right? Hope you enjoyed this. If you have enjoyed, then subscribe my channel, right? And enjoy learning. Thank you.